Want to delete your Google Finance portfolio quickly and safely? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to delete your Google Finance account. Let's get started. First, head over to Google Finance. You can simply search for Google Finance on Google or type it directly into your browser. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to sign into your account. Make sure you're using the same Google account that's linked to the portfolio you want to delete. If you have multiple accounts, take a moment to double-check. This is really important. After signing in, look for the Portfolio section. This is where all your saved investments and tracked stocks are stored. Click on it to open your portfolio dashboard. Now you should see a list of your portfolios, along with details like performance and holdings. Find the specific portfolio you want to delete. Once you've located it, look for the three-dot menu, usually next to the portfolio name or in the corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on those three dots. A small menu will appear with different options. From that menu, click on Delete. At this point, you'll likely see a confirmation message. This is just to make sure you don't accidentally delete something important. Before you confirm, take a quick moment to think about it, because once you delete a portfolio, it's gone permanently. There's no undo button. If there's any data you might need later, like stock lists or performance tracking, make sure you've saved it somewhere else first. When you're ready, confirm the deletion. And that's it. Your portfolio has been successfully removed. If you have multiple portfolios, you can repeat the same steps to delete others as well. Keeping your Google Finance account clean and organized can really help you stay focused, especially if you're actively tracking investments or planning new ones. So whether you're starting fresh or just cleaning things up, now you know exactly how to do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.